Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. And just last night I did a video on how to weld letters and how to engrave this. And I thought, some people might want to raster engrave the name and then cut it out. So one thing you can do, these things are nudged perfectly apart, so I can just nudge them back and forth. So we're going to weld them and we get our vector cut out. But what we can do is just take away the rectangle on this one, fill this in with black, take away the hairline by right-clicking. But if we just put that on top, it'll be right on top of the wood. So if you want to leave a little wood around it, you can go to Effects, Contour, and we're going to contour to the outside just 0.1 and see what happens. That's a little bit big. Let's go 0.05, and I'm going to pick rounded corners so it goes around and not so straight line. Then just click on your item, go up to Object. Well, sometimes you have to select the whole thing. Go up to Object and break the contour apart, and then grab the inside and move it down, and then take away the outside and move it up, and then move this back. Well, maybe I did the wrong one. Yeah, I grabbed the inside, took it away. Now just grab your other. So what's going to happen, it's going to engrave out the name in black, but it's going to leave a little wood around the corners. Now what it did do is when I contoured in rounded corners, it contoured this edge round, and I'm not 100% sure, but I'm pretty sure you could take those away. Manually fixing them, or if we take let's try this, let's take the shape tool, go to Windows, Dockers, Corners, and then put a corner like 0.001 and let's see what happens. Nope, it's not going to do it in reverse. So you could just manually fix that. One way you could do it, you could bring in an indexing line in both directions and then zoom in, and it doesn't really matter if you're going to stick this down in wood. And then you could double click and put a node there, grab those two and delete them, and now you have square corners again. They're not perfectly square unless you make it a line, but I'm afraid if we make it a line, well, we could probably do that. Let's grab that one only and that one, and then right click and turn it into a line. And it did, it made it a perfectly square corner, but it did not mess up that. So that's what engraving's gonna look at. It's always kind of neat to look what it would look like in wood. So we'll grab like a wood color and fill it in. And so that's what it's gonna look like in wood with the text engraved. Now, that'll be cut out, so in the Smart Fill tool, it just doesn't get in there, so that's what it's going to look like. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you.